Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Beard Club $1 beard oil. If you didn't see my video last week or a couple of weeks ago, I did the unboxing of these oils. I talked a little bit about their subscription service and how that works. I strongly encourage you to check that out so you can be informed on how their subscription box works. I'll put a little card up here or up here for you guys to check that out. Now, if you're into beard care tips and product reviews, I strongly encourage you to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos every Saturday. So I've been using this product. I got two of them actually. I got their original scent and the Sandalwood. I just found that I really like the Sandalwood scent quite a bit better. So I ended up not using the other one at all and really just using the Sandalwood scent. And it's a Sandalwood citrus scent that just smells really great. The oil is more of like a medium light, medium weight oil, and I just find that it does a pretty good job at hydrating the beard and really keeping the beard healthy. So if you're looking for a cheap solution, something that's a subscription box maybe even, then this is something that you want to go for. The quality is great, and if you can't afford to be purchasing tons and tons of beard products at that $15 to $20 price range, this is a really great company to try out. So you don't have to purchase these expensive premium products every month. You can go with something like this to tide you over for a couple months, and then if those premium beard care products in the $15 to $20 range are too expensive for you to buy every month, then get this for a couple months and then move on to the other products that you really want to try. With this subscription service, you really do have a lot of control over when you want to get the products. You can defer the subscription for up to 6 months, I believe. It really gives you the opportunity to use these products when you want to and then move on to something else. So this is just gonna be a really short video, guys. I think this was a really good experience for me. I'm definitely gonna try out their other products. They do have a balm. They also have some kind of like a beard cream, as well as a few other products. Definitely worth checking out. I don't think anything that they sell through this subscription box is more than $7, and the products are anywhere from half an ounce to an ounce. I believe the beard wash is 4 ounces. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.